Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 7, lesson 6. Please get your book, page 306. Let's start.
How many stickers are shown? What is the best way to count this many stickers? Let's find out. How are the stickers arranged? The stickers are arranged in rows of 10 with just one sticker in the bottom row. How can you count the stickers? You can count by ones. Why is 40 the next number after 39? There is one more, so there are 10 ones. You show this by writing a 4 for the tens digit and a 0 for the ones digit. Which number that you count tells how many stickers there are in all?
Select your answer.
"41" tells how many stickers in all because it is the last number that you count. There are 41 stickers. You can also count by tens. You can count 10, 20, 30, 40. Are there 40 stickers in all?
Select your answer.
All right, so when we counted by 1, we mark each star with a number and we just go up by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 41. Now, if we counting by 10, so we counting the last row, the last column. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And then we have one more. So it's going to be 41. So the question, are there 40 stickers in all? No, because there's one more here.
No, there is one sticker left. You add the one left to get 41 stickers. The top 4 rows are being counted by tens, and then the star in the bottom row is counted by ones. The numbers 10, 20, 30, and 40 on the stars in the top 4 rows show counting by tens. Why does the number in the tens digit go up by 1 and the number in the ones digit stay a 0? Each row adds one more group of 10. The number 41 in the bottom row shows counting by ones. Why does the number in the ones digit go up by 1 and the number in the tens digit stay the same?
Because we didn't continue or complete a whole row. So we don't have 10 stickers. So we can change the tens and increase by 1. We only have 1 sticker extra. So the row is still not full.
The ones digit goes up by 1 and the tens digit stays the same because only one star has been added. Now you know how to count and write numerals.
All right. So let's see our guided practice, page 306. All right. Count the object any way you choose, then write how many in all. So we can count by 1 all the way to the end, or we can make sure that each row get 10 and then we count by 10. So let's see how many we have in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means each row have 10 balls. So I can say 10, 20, 30, 40. I can't say 50 because the row is not completed. So we're going to count here by 1 to find how many we have. So I know 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. For question number 1, I know that I have 46 balls. Let's see the rabbits. I know that each row get 10. But do I have how many rows we have? 3. 1, 2, 3. But do I have 3 completed rows? No, I only have 2 completed, and the third row is missing. So that means I have 1 row of 10, another row that's 20. So 10, 20, and then the third row is not completed. So I'm going to count by 1. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we have 28 rabbits. So we need to write this down. Or we can go count each rabbit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So if I count by 10 or I count by ones, my answer was the same. All right, let's go to the exercise we have in the beginning of the lesson. All right, let's see what we have.
Look at the oranges. Count to find out how many in all, and then write the number. Explain how you counted the oranges.
So first I need to know how many orange in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't have a row of 10, I have a row of 5. So I can skip counting by 5 or make 2 rows by 10. So I can say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I skip counting by 5. Or I can join 2 rows together to make 10 because I know double 5 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a 10. Now I have the second, the third and the fourth row, 5 and 5. That's another 10. So now I know it's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Or I can count by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on all the way till the last orange, and I will know that they all going to give me the same answer, 25. All right, first graders, that's it for today's lesson. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity in your book, page 307, 308. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Please get your book ready and let's start. Open page 310 and let's see what we have.
Matt spills some puzzle pieces on the floor. 61 pieces are still in the box. How can Matt find the number of puzzle pieces in all? You are asked to find how Matt can find the number of puzzle pieces in all. What do you already know? You know that Matt spilled some puzzle pieces on the floor and that 61 puzzle pieces are still in the box. How can you use what you know to solve the problem? What does it mean to use what you know to solve the problem?
When you have part of the information, that's help you to find the rest of the information so you can solve your problem. So I know that there's 61 piece of puzzle on the floor, it's still on a box, and I know that some spelled on the floor.
It means to think about how you will use the information that you have to find how many puzzle pieces in all. You can look for shortcuts and things that repeat. To look for a shortcut means to look for a faster way to solve the problem. To look for things that repeat means to use something over and over in order to solve the problem. Circle a group of 10 and count on. Repeat until there are no more groups of 10. Then count on by ones. What repeats in solving this problem? Circling and counting groups of 10 repeats. How many groups of 10 puzzle pieces are on the floor?
So we need to group them in tens, and we'll see how many tens we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a group of 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another group of 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 singles or 4 ones that didn't make a group of 10.
There are 2 groups of 10. How do you count the puzzle pieces in the box and the groups of 10?
Select your answer.
Remember, we're counting groups of tens, so it's not ones. That's mean my tens will increase or goes up by 1 10. So 61 plus 10, that's 71 plus 10, that's 81. So that would be the right choice. 61, 71, 81.
61, 71, 81. Why do you start counting at 61? You start at 61 because there are 61 puzzle pieces left in the box. How do you count the puzzle pieces that are not in a group of 10? Count the remaining pieces by ones. 61, 71, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. How many puzzle pieces are there in all?
85.
There are 85 puzzle pieces in all. Now you know how to use repeated reasoning to solve problems.
Great thinking!
So we use the information we have. I know that I have 61 piece of puzzles to remain in a box. I know there's some on the floor. I grouped them in 10 and I left that one separate. So I added 61 and I saw that I have 2 group of 10. So 61, another 10, that's 71, another 10, that's 81. And then I counted the remaining ones by ones because they're not making a group of 10. So 81 plus 182, plus 183, plus 184, plus 185. Now I know that there are 85 pieces of puzzles in all. Yes, some in the box and some out of the box. All right, let's see for our guided practice, page 310. All right, how many in all? Use a shortcut to count on. Tell what shortcut you used. Okay, remember when we say the word shortcut means a faster way to help you get your answer. So over here, we have a box with 30 shoes and we need to count them. So we have some out and some inside. So what did we do? We grouped in 10. That's the shortcut that we used. And instead of counting one by one, we group them in 10. So I have 1 10, another 10, so that's 20, 20, and I have 30 in a box, 30, 40, 50, and then I have the rest that they didn't make a group of 10, they will be by ones. So 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So I counted by tens because I have two groups of tens, and the remaining I counted by ones. So I use tens and ones. All right. The next question, you have a box with muffin. There are 60 muffins inside the box and then the remaining outside. So I have to see how many I have and if I can count by tens or only by ones. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I can group of 10. I get my, and then put groups of 10 and see how many groups do we have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna draw a box or a circle to put my first group. So that's a group of 10 muffin. And now I have to see if I can make another group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can also have another group. Let me take a different color. So that's my second group of 10. And now I have the remaining, the less than group of 10, they will be by ones. So 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So I have 84 muffins in all. And which shortcut did we use? We group and we make 10. So we counted by 10 and also we had the remaining. So we counted by ones. So I will say I counted by tens and ones. All right. So let's go back to the first exercise in our lesson, page 309, and see what we have.
How can you find the number of apples on the ground without counting them one at a time? Explain your shortcut.
So here I have apples on the ground and I need to count them, but I should not count them by one. So I need to group them to count them by 10. So that's what we can do. We can group them in tens. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that could be a group. So I'm gonna go like that. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count, see this also will make a group of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's also another group of 10. Let's use different color. So now I know that I have two group of 10s, 10, 20, and the remaining, let's count them. They're not enough to make 10. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So now I know that I have 25 apple. I can write this down that I count by two groups of 10. That's 10, 20, and then after that I said 21. I counted by ones because the remaining apples is not enough to make a group of 10, so 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there are 25 apples on a ground. So in all, 25 apples. So that's my answer, and that's I explain how did I get this number, and I showed by drawing a circle in my first group of 10 and the second group of 10. All right, that was it for today, first graders. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity, page 311, 312. Thank you.